Hey posers! Welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we're going to teach you how to make your model walk video.
We're going to show you two different ways. One you're going to do by yourself with the tripod, and one if you have a friend that can help you out. These videos can be turned into agencies or casting calls.
Let's get straight to it.
Let's go.
This video, we are using our camera if we have one, and if we don't have a camera, you can use your phone. Just make sure it's in the highest resolution your phone could possibly record in. I recommend recording in a horizontal format, just because you can always cut it into the vertical one if you have to for an agency or for social media, if you want to post it on social media, but you won't be able to make a horizontal video out of the vertical one. So record in horizontal. The way we are setting up the camera, put it in a tripod, or if you don't have a tripod, put it on a sturdy surface. Don't make anybody hold the camera for this one because you don't want it to be shaking, moving, making weird background noises, none of that. The final position, this is not the position I'll be starting in. I'll be starting by walking towards the camera, but I want to set up my pose position first. For that, make sure your head is not cut off, and make sure the frame is down somewhere to your knees. Somewhere around here. So you can always crop it or use it as a 3/4 height for the final posing. And we are not walking too far away from the camera. We are walking as far as you're going to be full height. And we're not trying to make this video extremely long where you're just walking a mile away from the camera. And for the posture, make sure you're aligned and you are somewhat straight standing. We're not trying to make a duckling posture here, and we're not trying to be slouchy. Our shoulders are rolled back and open, so we have a nice posture, but make sure that your shoulder blades are not too squeezed together. This is not going to look good. Make sure your shoulder blades are rolled back and down. Shoulder blades are pointed down. And your hips are somewhere in the middle. We're not pushing them too much back and not too much forward. And let's walk.
Alright guys, so now it's the male walk, a male model walk. You don't want to have your shoulders slunch forward, or you don't want to be too back or nothing crazy. Just stand up straight, shoulders nice and straight too. Basically you want your body aligned, just like the females. Don't stick your butt out or hips forward or anything like that. We're just guys, we just walk normally. And don't be like me all swollen stuff. But yeah, just straight guys. Shoulders nice and tall, chest out, and just look nice and elegant. So we just showed you the standard walk, guys, the regular back and forth walk, the standard that every agency wants or casting call wants. In addition to that, we're going to show you how to do it if you have a friend available to help you out. A sidewalk, not a sidewalk, but a walk from the side. You can also add that on top of your regular walk if an agency ever needs it or a casting call ever needs it as well.
So the first video we showed you is an industry standard, so that one would be preferred for most agencies and casting calls, but it's always a good idea to have a second option from an angle to showcase your walk a little bit more.
Beautifully said. Alright guys, if today's video actually helped you out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave them down below. Let us know what you think. If you have any other questions, we'll definitely love to answer that for you. And if you still want to send us your headshots and you want us to critique it, the email's down in the description as well. And we'll see you next time.
And if you did hate our walk, that's fine. You can let us know in the comment section too.
Yeah, you can hate our walk too. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.